Hello, thanks for coming in. Are you like most people that are close to or in retirement that may have had that little nagging thought at the back of our heads that whispers, what if I outlive my savings? That's called longevity risk. And with our life expectancies getting longer, coupled with our country's financial issues, it could be a pretty big deal. We know there's no one-size-fits-all solution here. Different strategies come with different pros and cons, and it's about finding the balance that suits you best. Let's think about a few. When I say diversification strategy, what comes to mind? Now, you probably think, oh, that's allocating between stocks and bonds and asset allocation, right? Well, have you ever thought about diversifying your advisors? Since nobody has a monopoly on good ideas, isn't it possible that you could be exposed to specialized retirement strategies you may have not even considered before, giving your portfolio a little longevity boost? But of course, there's a downside. More advisors may mean more relationships to manage and will require some orchestration on your part. Now let's think about the A word. Now, don't worry, I'm talking about annuities. Have you heard about the newer, no commission, low fee annuities? With interest rates up, they have started to pay some very attractive payouts. And the great thing here is the guarantee that they can pay out for as long as you live regardless. And you also have some tax advantages. You're looking at some fees, and there are some liquidity issues and potential risk if the insurer isn't highly rated. Finally, let's ponder your deaccumulation or drawdown strategy. The conventional wisdom says to draw down your taxable accounts first and leave your 401k or IRA money alone until you have to absolutely touch it. But sometimes changing that order can mean big savings on your taxes and a more sustainable nest egg. Of course, it does mean more regular check-ins and a balancing, so you need to decide if that's in your retirement vision. Here's the deal. Retirement planning isn't all about seeking perfect certainty because that's just not realistic. Instead, let's aim for a comfortable balance where you can have the freedom to do what you want without constantly fretting over your finances. Because that's what retirement should be about, right? And our goal here is to help you achieve that.